Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the weekly and daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord. The link of them is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it finished that red one here. Let me show it to you for pictures get more clear to you. As you see it here, let's zoom it a little bit like that. Is it that one here? That pin bar. That very good news is a pin bar here. That man, that the fourth week also we being sideways here. As you say it here, that 4 weeks and also we are in the same level. We couldn't go up or down. As you see, 1 week green, 1 week red, 1 week green, 1 week red. So I think even that week we're going to stay sideways here. There is nothing new here in the weekly. Everything still looking the same. Nothing was changed. Also, we're still waiting where is the Bitcoin is going to break either up or either down. Till now, everything still looking the same. Nothing was changed. Another thing very important, let me show it to you. Is it those ones? Here, we couldn't break here that 100 moving average. And down, we couldn't break the 200 moving average. So till now, we still stuck here between that two. Till the Bitcoin either break up here or just break here. That means it's going to fall down till it will touch in here the 200 moving average. So till now we still stuck between them. We need to wait until the Bitcoin break in here. Then we're going to see a major move. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. So that's it for the weekly. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week. For pictures get more clear to you because that week we got very important news. So let's go in there. There it is, guys, as you see that all the week here. So in Monday, that's what we got here. We got that one here of Germany, that one of UK manufacturing, then that one of USA. Those ones do not got a big impact to the market. Then in Tuesday, what we got that CBI consumer confidence of USA. A little bit impact. The most important day of that week is it here. Is it Wednesday? As you see it, guys, what we got on Wednesday, we got Fed interest rate decision, and the forecast here, it's saying the Fed is going to increase interest rate by 0.25. All of us we know that. Is it good for the market? No, it's not good, but let's wait in because that is going to make inflation to fall very sharply. So let's wait until Wednesday, then we're going to make a very clear decision for long term. And then Wednesday there is no trading, guys. You need to remember that. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Then in Thursday, what we got, look at it. That Thursday, what we got here, we got the ECB interest rate decision of the Eurozone. So even that one you need to be focused about it. And another thing, in Wednesday we got that Jerome Powell is going to come to talk at 6:30. So even that one you need to be careful about it. So that all the week, that the week of the banks. Plus down here in Friday, what we got that one of Japan, Germany. So all of them, they are going to stay the same. The only thing in Friday, what we got that one, that PCI. That one we're going to tell us if the Fed is going to stop increasing interest rate next month or not, because the forecast here it's showing is going to fall down, and that very good news. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long, so everything is too clear here. And here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us here. US market, this started the week, what can we say? It's debating, some green, some red. So people, they are scared till now. And down here, we got that VIX here, as you see it. Our friend, the one we need to look at it every day. It's still in its place. It's still 13. That means currency is still very low. The only thing here, the US dollar here, it's going up a little bit. That bad news, guys. But let's wait in how it's going to finish Monday candle. Then also we're going to come to make a decision based on that. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Now it's going to see another thing. So let's go in there. Here it is, we're still in the long term, here in the daily. Here in the daily there is nothing new. Same thing, we got that triple top here, we show it to you. We've been here 1 month now. We couldn't break that level is still very stronger, that level here. The bulls, they refuse to give up that level here, because that level is very stronger level. So them, they don't want it to get broke. All those people, they try to push down. No one wants to give up that level. And every time the Bitcoin, when it touches that level down here, we find people, they buy it. People, they still believe in Bitcoin is going to go more higher than that. So that's what is it here. And today daily candle, it's finished green candle here. But very good news. But even in the top, we couldn't break that level here. That level here in the top, there is no one wanted to be broke. Every time we reach to that level here, we find people, they pushing from there. So till now, we still stuck between two levels, that one down and that one up. There is nothing new here in the daily. So let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, also we enter along yesterday here, based on that way just show you in the video before yesterday. Getting broke, then also we enter along. But look at it, that 200 moving average here. Please zoom it a little bit to show it to you, to explain those things to you, because those things, it need to be explained. Look at it here. You see that 200 moving average here. We couldn't break it. Yes, the market gave us another pin bar here, that my people, they still believe in Bitcoin is going to go more higher, but we need first to break that 200 moving average here for us to know the market is going to change. Everything here is showing to us the market is going up. The double bottom here, I show it to the people in my Telegram and my Discord. By the way, if you want to join us, the link is down in the description of that video. It's breaking the neckline here, so everything still looking great here in the 4 hours. And another thing here, that wage me, I told you before, you can find it even in the top 9 of the video of another video, that the wage also we enter based on that one here. As you see it, it's getting broke here. That way also we enter long, and that one me I thinking is going to go up till here. Yes, we got a pivot here. We're still waiting it where it's going to be broken. But yeah, now everything's still looking great, guys. The market is still looking, it's going to go more higher. Here in the 4 hours, everything's still looking great. And down here, that the level me I'm talking about. That level, it's still holding the Bitcoin. And that one here in the top, as you see it. It's need the Bitcoin either to break here or to break here for us to know the market is going to change. Till now, everything's still looking in his place. The Bitcoin, it refused to break that level here. And that now, as we are going to 2 weeks, and as we are stuck here in that square, that smaller square. So Bitcoin is getting smaller and smaller now. So there is nothing new. We couldn't break that level here. That level here now still holding us. That one here, as you see it. When you go to lower time frames, you're going to see it very clear. But now here, also we still stuck here in that level, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going to see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, as you see it, it's break up today here. And today, by the way, also we make very nice profit. When it's breaking here, that meant the bulls, they came back to the market. But also we still stuck in that level. That the level, it needs to be broken. If it doesn't get broke, also we are not going to go more higher, guys. So everything still looking the same. Nothing was changed. The only change today, also we came from bear control to bull controls. So now the market is showing to us, also we are in an uptrend here in the 4 hours. So in smaller time frames, also we just need to enter in long or short, because depending on the price action, and also we're giving you everyday signals there. Now it's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. It's been here at the oversold area level. Used to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone. By the way, to learn how to draw supply and demand zones like that, in our technical analysis course, is it down in the first comment. If you're using the couple link, you're going to get a 85% discount. But it's up to you if you want to learn. If it doesn't, you just focus it here about our analysis, and you're going to learn. Here, also we said like that. We got here that wage like that. Yes or no? that wage here, it's getting broke here. Look at it. Our indicator is down here. You need to enter long or no? Yeah, of course you need to enter long. Also we enter along, we take some of the profit from it. Now also we are risk free and we waiting the Bitcoin to go up over here in that place here. As you see that peak here, that one here, we need to take some of the profit. In the top here is our take profit. Until now as we still waiting, the market is showing a rejection now. Yes, it fell down from up, but it came from down. That means bulls is still powerful, and also we still waiting the break of that level here, that one here, that peak here. It needs to be broken now. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, guys. But I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter yesterday from here, in that level here, when it's getting broke, that trend line here, till up here. The top of that level here I'm just been talking about in 4 hours. Then another thing, look at it here. The market gave us here a very clear double bottom here. And the neckline it was here is getting broke. The market fall down to test it again. Now maybe it's going to go more higher. So everything's still looking great. Another thing here, look at it here. If you came to that peak, that one and that one here, and you connecting them by a line like that, and you came to that peak, that one here and that one here, and you connecting them by a line like that. Look with me here what I'm going to do. What you got now, you got a very clear wage, guys. If that wage go up and breaking above here, enter long. If it's breaking down here, enter short. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Here our indicator is telling us also we enter here to the overbought area level. Also we are in a very stronger level. Should we take some of the profit, guys, or close our long position? Not yet. It's need the price action to tell us that. The price action is it that one here, it need to be broken, or another thing, the market to give us here a double top or something like that, and to break for us the neckline. That time we will enter a short. Till now there is nothing, so us we still waiting what the market is going to do in coming hours and coming days. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.